Hello students, welcome to your English class. In this video, we will be learning about what is an article, types of article and the correct usage of articles. So, first of all, let us know what is an article. An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object or an idea. Articles help us to understand whether a noun is a special or general. And always remember that articles are words that are always used before nouns. Basically, there are three articles categorized into two types: indefinite article and definite article. A and an are indefinite articles, whereas the is definite article. Let us now understand how these articles are used in English language. Indefinite articles a and an are used to represent singular noun. A is used with the words which start with a consonant. An is used with the words which start with a vowel. The is said to be definite article and it is used before singular, countable or common nouns. The is also used when we are talking about something again and again after having mentioned it once before. Now, what are consonants? Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. If a word starts with any of these letters, we will make use of A. And vowels, there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. If a word starts with a vowel, we make use of an. I told you that we use A before a word beginning with a consonant, but actually you have to check the sound of the word also. So, precisely we use A before a word beginning with a consonant sound. It is used with the words which give the voice of consonant. For example, a girl, G. The word starts with G and the phonetical sound of letter G is G. A horse. The word begins with letter H and the phonetical sound of letter H is H. A useful. Over here the word starts with letter U. But I told you that U is a vowel and we use an for vowel words. But listen to the sound. Useful. The word begins with letter U and the phonetical sound of letter U is A. Do we say useful No. We say the word as useful. The sound is of consonant over here. So we have used a useful book. Similarly, when we are making use of an article, we have to make sure that the word beginning with vowel sound. For example, an egg, an orange, an R. The word begins with letter H and it is a consonant, but the phonetical sound of H is H. Do we say hover? No, it is said R. Letter H is silent and the sound of letter O is coming when we pronounce the word. An honest man. Similarly, in this word, honest, H is silent and the sound of vowel word is coming. So be very sure about the sound and then make use of indefinite articles. The is said to be definite article and it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a class or group of animals. In other words, definite article is used to refer to a particular noun. For example, the fox is a clever animal. Now we are talking about a particular animal who is clever and it is fox. So we are very precise about the name of the animal. So we will be using the fox is a clever animal. It is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, group of islands and mountain range. For example, the Atlantic, the Himalayas. It is also used before the name of religious books, countries and the proper nouns. So students, I hope now you must be knowing what an article is and how to use the articles correctly in a sentence. Thank you and have a nice day.